In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a website that it already paid over $69 million. Yes, you hear it right. I'm going to show you how you can earn part of the pie. And we're going to be using AI tools. So this is going to be newbie friendly. And this is going to be something fun that you guys can do. Hey, hello. My name is Diana Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, this is going to be a complete step-by-step tutorial, super simple, newbie friendly, and I'm going to be sharing all the websites that you can use so you can earn the most amount of money with simple tasks. And remember, this is going to be with AI. Now, let me show you my screen. I'm going to share it with you right now because I want to make sure that we are actually on the same page. First of all, guys, let me tell you a disclaimer here. I mean, this is a situation that has been happening. First of all, there is someone, a person or a group of people who are creating fake YouTube profiles, okay? Asking people to reach them via WhatsApp. Okay, I don't use WhatsApp. So if you notice that there is someone reaching you with my picture, with my profile picture, asking you to reach them on WhatsApp, that's definitely not me. Another situation that I realize, and this is because the community let me know, is that there is there is a person, there is a company, there is a group of people who knows that they're using part of one of my videos and they took it out of context. Okay, they took it out of context and they are showing it on this video as if I'm using an app. I'm not 100% sure if this app is a game, but what people told me is an app that is promising, people to make money online. I'm actually do not use any kind of games to make money online. I'm not promoting that. Okay. Someone, as I told you, it's using part of my video and they took it 100% out of context and they're using me as a testimonial. So if you saw a video that it's outside of this YouTube channel, hey, report it. Okay. Because that's definitely not me. Now, let me show you everything step by step. Let's go to the strategy. As you can see here, we have my screen. This is the very first website that I'm going to be talking about, which is called Design Crowd. And don't worry, guys, if you're like, well, Diana, but I don't have any kind of design skills. Okay, you told me that this website pay over $69 million and this is going to be friendly and all this stuff, but I really don't draw. I don't have any kind of design skills. Don't worry. I got you covered, okay? Watch the video because I'm pretty sure that this is going to be something that it's going to be interesting. Okay, as you can see here, people are looking for designs, okay? There are several categories. They do have different services. Here, people can see some inspiration, okay, and all this stuff. And they have been around for a while, okay? They has been around for a while. If I go back, oops, if I actually made a mistake because I shouldn't go back. But no worries. If I show you a little bit more about this, you can see here that they're basically offering graphic design services. Okay, you can join for free. People are looking here to have a logo, a branding, a web design service with newsletters, Wix pages, landing pages, print designs like envelope, magazine, menus. I think you already got the idea, like a lot of people are here. But I'm going to go with one category that I really like, and it's going to be this one, illustration design. Okay, that's the category I'm going to go with. By the way, guys, they do have an amazing review with Trustpilot, which is something really important. If you want to know if people are really happy. So the average is 4.7 out of 5. So this is a verified company and a lot of people are really happy about their service. Okay. They call themselves that they're basically the number one custom illustration design service with over 1 million designers. Okay. 1 million designers, and they have a money back guarantee and all this stuff. And here are some examples. Okay. Here are some examples, but I want to show you, you know, like some of the previous projects so you can have an idea that these might not be as hard as we thought. Okay, these might not be as hard as we thought. So you're going to see some of the examples here. If I click here where it says browse my illustration, you can see this. Okay, but now this is not the only website. I want to show you that you can actually go and be part of 99 Designs. Okay, this is a website that I have used in the past. I'm actually a graphic designer myself, So I have been on this website before, and that's the reason why I know this actually works. But now it's way easier than ever. There is another website that is called the Spoon Flowers. They do have what they call the challenges. You're going to see that they are not that hard and they're actually have really good prices. Okay, so this is actually a past project. So you're going to see it called the Egg and Landscape Illustration. Okay, this is a business in the United States. Needed an illustration design and received. Okay, this is a bold illustration. Okay, and you're going to see that actually they were willing to pay $150. Okay, they were willing to pay $150. Okay, as I was mentioning before, you're going to see that people were willing to pay $150 for something really simple, and you can submit as many designs as you want. As you can see, this person, okay, he submitted 3 designs, okay, because you have the possibility to submit a lot. So, and actually 5 designs. Okay, so don't worry like, oh no, I'm just gonna have just one design, and if they don't like it, that it's a game over. Okay, don't worry about that. You have multiple options here. So what you're gonna be using if you are like, hey, I'm not a graphic designer, but this sounds kind of interested, and now I understand that the products shouldn't be like, that difficult. Okay, we're gonna be using a tool that is called Canva. Okay, you're gonna go to canva.com. You're gonna be opening a free account, and you're gonna find what they call an apps. Okay, let me go back so I can show you. This is how actually the main website's gonna look like. You're gonna click here where it says apps, and we are gonna go with this one that is called text to image. Okay, I know there are other AI tools out there, but remember, this is something professional. This is something that we're going to be sharing. So that's the reason why I suggest you to go with Canva. Here on text to image, you're going to notice that literally we're going to type what we have in mind. Okay. And they are telling us what exactly they want. Okay, they do have like a brief description of what they're looking for. They say like they need a drawing of a chicken egg with a landscape around it. It's going to be a white egg in a pastoral settings, okay, sitting in the grass with trees, sky, etc. The egg should be the star, and the landscape should be the background. Okay, it can be a vector graphic, line drawing, pencil drawing. Uh, okay, so you're gonna have like an idea of what's going to be all about. So you're going to see it's not that complicated. So this is actually what I asked this tool to do. Okay, so I'm going to be asking me like, hey, what's the size? I customize it. Some of them in their project they tell you like what's the size that they needed, but since I don't have that information uh, right there, but this is actually in the description, I tell them like, hey, I want to go with 1000 by 1000. I'm going to be creating a new sign, and boom, here I have it. So you're going to see that I have a couple of designs. Okay. I already have a couple of designs. This is exactly what they were looking for. And I asked it like, hey, I want an illustration of a white egg with a landscape in the background. Okay. So if that's what they're looking for, we do have different styles. Okay. If they want 3D, if they want something minimalistic, neon, photo, playful. Okay. Sometimes they actually describe it like, hey, if I want to go with watercolor, okay, I'm going to click again where it says create again because I already wrote the description. And the AI tool is going to be working. It's just like that. Hey, well, this is not the one I'm looking for because again, remember that he told me that the main thing, it needs to be the egg. So I can submit the one that I already showed you and maybe this one. So I have like two styles, and as simple as that, you can be participating in these contests. There are other type of contests, like sometimes they want the covers for ebooks. They want some kind of layouts. So do not um, put yourself just on illustration. Feel free to browse around. And as I told you, there are actually three websites that you can go with. As soon as you love the website and you love the design and all the stuff, click here where it says share, and you're gonna go and download the image. Okay, click here where it says download, and make sure that you're gonna download in a really high resolution PNG. It's okay. Okay, so here you have the PDF, the PDF print, even if you do an animated video and all this stuff. Okay, but if you guys want to earn even more money online and you want to replace your 9 to 5, I'm going to be leaving a link below with what is actually my number one recommendation to make money online. So you can make money while you travel, you can make money while you sleep. So if you want to, to have something different, to have freedom, guys. Okay, I'm going to be leaving a link below. Okay, so this is for this video. I hope you enjoy this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, and I see you guys on the next video.